Hello everyone, I am Nick Harrison with Rocky River Woodworks, and today I'm going to be making this mountain mural, if you want to call it. Stick around. All right, so that's the end of this build. I have everything secured. The only thing to do is either gift it to someone, hang it in your house, office decor, whatever you decide. If you're gonna hang it on the wall, it has a good bit of weight to it, but you could hang it on the wall. I would just put some good heavy duty screws through the back, maybe a picture hanging wire or something, or some sort of hook on the back. If you wanted to, you could paint this rim, you could burn it, you could stain it, whatever you wanted to do, the frame here. So this is where I'm stopping it though. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a decor project, decoration. I think it turned out fairly well. And it's something that you could do in a day's time. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video and found value in this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified when I release new videos. That's all for now. You can find me online on social media at Rocky River WW, and you can find me on my website at rockyriverwoodworks.com. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.